Hey friends, today we're going to be checking and refilling our windshield wiper fluid on a 2013 Nissan Titan. Stick around. So for this job, again, you're only going to need a couple of things here. No real tools are necessary. You're going to need your windshield washer fluid. And basically, I'm using the winter formula, which is rated down to negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit, because we do live in Colorado and it snows a lot. You don't want this stuff freezing in your wiper fluid lines. The other thing you're going to be using is a little plastic funnel to help get the liquid in there. Again, you can pick both of these items up in the description box below using the Amazon links I placed there, or you can go to your local Walmart or auto parts store, and this is roughly, $3 to $5 or so. Okay, so we are on the driver's side of the Titan in the engine compartment right now. Your windshield wiper fluid reservoir can be found right here next to the air filter up front. It basically just has a little symbol on here with the windshield and some basically some of the fluid kind of squirting up. That's how you know you've got the right reservoir. And all we're going to do here is just pop this cap off, and let's take a look inside and see where the levels are at. Okay, so let's take a look inside the windshield wiper reservoir. You can see there's some fluid down there at the bottom, but we've got quite a bit of room to get some back in here. So I'm going to grab the funnel and let's fill this thing back up. Okay, with our funnel in place, we're now ready to pour our fluid into the reservoir. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a decent amount here, and then we can check it. Okay, looking in now, you can see that the fluid is up to that kind of upper line right there. It's a pretty good fill area for this specific reservoir. We're going to go ahead and put that cap back on, and we are good to go. That's about it, friends. Make sure you keep that nice and filled so you can keep your windshield wiper clean. Hey, remember to hit those links in the description box below if you want to buy a funnel or a windshield washer fluid, and hit that subscribe button. We have a bunch more tips, tricks, Titan videos coming up real soon.